I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app and tapping the plus icon. This gets you directly into creation. Next, choose Create a Short or Upload a Vertical Clip and pick 15s or 60s depending on your concept. Make sure camera and microphone access are granted so effects can be previewed live. Once done, position your clip in the editor timeline and glance at the right side icons. This is where the effects workflow begins, and it keeps everything fast and editable. Now focus on the effects button on the right side of the editor. Tap it to reveal categories like trending, R, color, and transitions. You can preview any effect by tapping it, which plays an instant sample over your clip, so you know how it behaves. Once you like one, adjust intensity, duration, or timing using on-screen sliders and drag handles. This is crucial for syncing effects to beats or speech. Make sure to test playback after each tweak to confirm the look. Finish by trimming and aligning effects to your audio or cuts, then watch the full short to confirm flow. Once satisfied, export a draft and review on another device or in different lighting to catch artifacts. If an effect glitches or won't apply, first clear the YouTube app cache and reopen the editor. Reinstall the app only if needed. If problems persist, reapply the effect on a duplicated clip. This often resolves timing or render issues without losing your edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.